I told my mom the real reason none of us want kids. When I was 12, my mom and biological dad split up. My oldest brother went to live with my aunt, and the rest of us stayed with our grandma while our parents tried to find happiness. After about 4 years, my dad completely disappeared. My mom eventually got her own place nearby and visited often. Over time, my brothers moved on. From 12 to 18, I mostly lived alone with my grandma in the middle of nowhere. I love her, but there's only so much a teenager and an 80-year-old woman can talk about. I felt abandoned. Fast forward, we all grew up, finished school, and became adults. Now, my mom constantly asks us why none of us want kids. None of my brothers want kids either. Finally, during one heated conversation, I couldn't take it anymore and said what we were all thinking. I told her, "Mom, I think none of us want kids because you and Dad left us with Grandma to find your own happiness. I'm glad you found it, but I'd never abandon my kids like that. It scares me that I could wake up one day and think like you did, telling my kids to pack up because I'm dropping them off at Grandma's when I'm perfectly capable of taking care of them." She cried a lot. I can't stop wondering if I went too far or if she needed to hear